Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here, and welcome to my channel. And I hope you all are having a great day. We are doing well here. I'm filming this before Christmas, but I don't know when it's going to come out. So I hope you all had a wonderful Christmas, because I'm sure it will be after Christmas, could even be after the New Year. So I hope you have a happy New Year too. I appreciate you being here. I really love all my subscribers, and I'm coming on my 3-year anniversary. Yay! And today I am going to show you the Relax and Radiate Crate 2022. Now, I've had this sitting here for a long time, probably over a month. I just haven't had time to get to it. So I'm taking time to get to it before Christmas, because this is going to be a Christmas box. And I've got to see what's in it in case I need to use it before Christmas, because Christmas for me right now is a few days away. So this is the Girlfriend box from AARP. Relax and Radiate Crate. I got this on special for half price. It was $25, and it's gonna have a couple $100 value. And we always get a lot of lifestyle in here. I'm gonna look for my product card, and I found it. Everything's gonna match in this box, and if I didn't remember to tell you, it's $50 a quarter. We're gonna get about 8 items in here. Everything's gonna match up. As you can see, that's what our box was like. This is our card, and it tells us everything that's gonna be in this box, and I can tell you already there's some nice things. And the first thing that is on the list is a keyhole wrap poncho. So keyhole to me means that we're going to have a hole for our head, and it's in the festive color of red. It has the Relax and Radiate, and remember, this is going to be a box valued around $200, but there's no prices on any of the items. It just tells me what we're getting, and this is the poncho, and this is very nice, and it looks to be very big. So I'm going to have a lot of ponchos this season, aren't I? I opened up one from Temu, and it was really nice too. So this poncho goes around, maybe not my head, but just wraps around like this. So very nice. It's got the plaid. It's a big red plaid with black, so it's very, very pretty, and it's very, very long. As you can see, it's going to be very nice. So that is another poncho style shawl that I can use during the winter, and it's very, very beautiful. Love that. That was item number 1, and remember, this was 2022. The next item I'm seeing are cozy socks, and guys, look at these socks, and when they say cozy, they ain't a kidding. Look at this. Look how thick these are. Can you tell that on the screen? These are probably some of the most thickest socks I've ever seen. Oh my goodness, especially in a box. It does have the stop feet on the bottom, and it just says they're cozy slippers. They're fuzzy, they're non-slip, and they're backed by popular demand. So apparently they've had these in their boxes before. Everything's going to match up with the Relax and Radiate Crate. Those are incredible. I love those. The next item I'm seeing, it's called the Kenneth J. Lane earrings. And I may have these earrings already. So let's take a look at them, because I just got some in my Ellen's Christmas box, and they were valued at $80. And I'm not sure if these are going to be the same or not, but it's cubic zirconia. They actually look more shiny than the ones I have on, I think. I might want to trade out for these. Look how shiny those are. And they look to be 1 carat. He gets around is all I have to say. Aren't those pretty? It looks like these are in silver, and I think these are in a gold frame maybe. So very nice. I may gift these at some point. Yeah. But they're very, very lovely. I'm going to compare them to the other ones. They looked shiny or more brilliant than the ones that I got from Ellen's box. Makes you wonder, because I have them on. I don't see them shining and sparkling like that. Oh well, we'll see. But anyway, my next item is a soy wax candle, and that's right here in this box. And it's going to be very festive, and again, you're noticing the box is like our outside box, and everything that says the Girlfriend. They have this curated especially for them, And they've got the girlfriend on there. And guys, I can smell this, and I haven't unwrapped it yet. And I have puppies playing. Oh, this smells good. Isn't that beautiful and festive for Christmas? That's going to be very nice. I was looking to see if there's a scent written on here. It says it's an evergreen, a fir and evergreen scent. It's a light, faint scent. It's not a heavy fir scent, so it's okay. I would like it to be richer in the scent, personally. It's still a beautiful candle, and my puppies are having a high old time over there. And then it says top off wine sweater, and that's right here. So during the Christmas season, you can put this over your bottle and it actually dresses it up. Now, isn't that clever? That is really cute. It says top it off. That's just adorable. Let me know what you think. Do you have a sweater for your wine bottle? That's my first one. The next item I have is microwave popcorn topper. And that's right here. It says collapsible microwave popcorn popper. That sounds cool. I think I've seen people get this in other boxes. So you microwave your popcorn in here. It's got instructions, and it's collapsible just like it says. Pull your lid off and you punch it out, and you can microwave in this. That is cool. And it's got little vented holes in it up here to let the steam out. And they even included some popcorn, some Amish country popcorn. How spectacular. Oh, I love that. The grandkids love to have popcorn, so we might have to try it out over Christmas. Let me see if I can get it collapsed back. It was easy to pop out. You just have to work with it a little bit to get it back. And we're working it. We're going to have the lid back on. That is an excellent little gift. I love that, and I love to eat popcorn. And I like fresh popcorn better. Come as a set. That is cool. Alright, see, I'm telling you, this box is great. We have one more item before we get to the book. Every box will have a book. You have lifestyle, you have something to wear usually, jewelry, just a little bit of everything. And we have a bookmark craft kit, and they always have a craft. And I don't always do the crafts, but this one looks like something that I might could do. It's got markers, and you can probably design your own. It says bookmark craft kit, and on here it says create and personalize your own bookmark tags or gift tags, whatever it is that you'd like to use it for. You can use it to craft and turn an activity going on with your family, and that's a good idea too, to do a family activity, or the kids might want to do that. But you've got your marker tassels, and then you've got your markers themselves to make the bookmarkers with, so that's really cool. That'll make a nice gift. And then the last item in this box is our book, and it is Hello Transcriber by Hannah Morrissey, and it says praise for Hello Transcriber. Hello's Transcriber is a dark atmosphere and a compelling debut by a unique talent. I was sucked in immediately and couldn't think of anything else until the last page. It's an edgy and haunting crime novel with a complex, world-weary heroine at the center. Hannah writes this passion, razor-edged prose, and most important, authenticity. A former police transcriber herself, she knows the cops and criminals and those who bridge the worlds between. No doubt destined to become one of this year's best debuts. And then it says, as poetic as it is suspenseful, Hello Transcriber delivers a refreshing slant on the police procedural, her evocative prose, her intriguing and layered characters in a setting so widely drawn in it infiltrated my dreams, establishes Hannah Morrissey as an exciting new voice in literary suspense. So it sounds very good. Like a little mystery novel. Very good. Well, that's my box, and I've been having it sit over here for, showed y'all a month, but it might be longer than a month. Might have been months. Just a long time, because I couldn't get to it, and I wanted to get to it for Christmas, and then I just didn't have time. I ran out of time. So this is my box. Let me know what your favorite. Is it the book? Is it the popcorn popper and popcorn? Is it the beautiful red soy candle? Is it the wine topper for your wine bottle? And that is so adorable. Is it the Cubic Zirconia earrings by Kenneth J. Lane? Is it the cozy socks? Oh my goodness, these are so soft and cozy. I can't wait to put them on a wintry day. And then we had our little make your own bookmark kit, which is very neat. And then we had our poncho, which is very festive and ready for Christmas. Just beautiful. And we always get a magazine. I didn't go through that. So that's my 2022 winter Relax and Radiate crate. Let me know your favorite. My favorite's going to be these socks. And I'm going to say this popcorn deal. That sounds good. The popcorn topper, it says. Microwave it, see how it tastes. So those are my favorites, and this was super cute too. But as for today in the Relax and Radiate crate, that's all I have. Be sure and check my descriptions for any giveaways that are currently going on. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. And if it's before the new year, Happy New Year. And if it's after the new year, I'm wishing you a blessed 2024. Bye-bye.